Hello everyone, welcome back to my corner. Today we are opening the February 2023 Crazy Cat Ladybugs. and yeah, I really hope that this box is going to be better than the January one. I was a little bit disappointed with this box, so I really hope this one is good. So let's open this right away so Alice can see what's in it. Okay. I'm gonna try to get the card only. Okay. Oh, this is super cute. So it says featured cat lady artist Krista Woodcock May. It's a Field of Flowers original painting. And on the post she said, that sweet little cat in a field of flowers, sitting for hours and hours. So this is super cute. I'm gonna tell you what's the theme this month. I think it's this. It's Must Love Cats. This one here. Must Love Cats. So probably like Valentine related or something. Okay. So the box was really light. So it felt almost empty. And it was a little bit crushed. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. I don't know if it's because the box seems kind of empty, but it's, you know. There you go. Okay. So this looks promising at first glance. So the first thing we have is a little mouse with a little pink nose, two little eyes, two little ears, and her little tail. Doesn't say anything. So it says, wacky wonky mouse. Your cats will go crazy over this silly catnip stuff mousy. It's $5. So it's super soft. It's like a plushie. I don't think there's catnip. Maybe it smells like catnip, so maybe there is. Look at that face. It's super cute. So, oh, he stole your box. So this was $5. The next toy, the second toy, is this little flip-flop, or maybe like a slippers, I think you call it. And I think it's leopard. In French we say léopard, leopard. So that's why it's kind of difficult to say in English. Leopard. You tell me. So there's something in like the cushion here. This is $6. It's cozy catnippy slipper for your sweet cats to snuggle. It's handmade. It's really cute. It's like how do you call that? In French we say feutre. I'm losing my English. I have no idea what's. I know what it is, but I don't remember. Feutre. Felt? Oh, I think it's felt. What's going on? You're so jealous. You're so jealous. Okay, so the next thing we have is the t-shirt. But they must love cats. So the t-shirt is the theme. This is cute. I'm not sure I like the color. It's like a pink with some gray in it. It's not a super pretty pink, almost like salmon. Yeah, it's not a pretty pink, but the design is super cute. I think it's super cute, super sweet. Yeah, I love that. Probably gonna wear this as a PJ. So I really like this one. The color is round. This is a medium. And yeah, I like it. So the t-shirt is $23. It says, because cat people are the best people. So that's really cute. The next thing we have, what is this? So it's a cat, it's leathery. And on the back, there's like this little chain here. And there's this thing. But, oh, it opens. Do you know what this is? Is it like for a card? To put a card? It says kitty keychain pouch. Kitty keychain card wallet. Okay, yeah, so that it's to put a card. It's kind of hard to open though. I'm gonna break it. Jeez. Okay. So I guess you can put a card. Maybe. I'm not sure a card fits in there. Maybe. Oh yeah, maybe. Okay. It's okay. I think it's okay, but I don't think you can put a lot. It's super hard to open. So it's super cute. It's done with embroidery. I don't know if you can see. It's really well made. It's really cute. This is $10. So it's carry cash and cards in this cute and convenient keychain. So I really like this. Sweet. I just bought a keychain on Amazon, and it was like with the, it's a retractable one, you know, with the wire where you can just put your keys and open your door. And it's really helpful. So the next thing we have is this. So it's a little case, pouch. It's rose gold. Super cute. Shoop. And it's fabric. Nice. I think it's super cute. It's useful. I'm gonna be able to use this. It says watercolor cats zip pouch, $13. It says zip up all the things you love in this cute pouch covered in cats. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna put in this, but I'm probably gonna use it. And the last thing, what is this? Is it like a mat? It's a mat! Oh, it's again. I hope you like cats. It's brown, and the letters are written in like, I don't know what it is, but it's like it's another texture. Like it's, I think it's cute. I would have preferred another color, but you know, it's for, I guess it's for like outside, so it doesn't matter if it's brown. Oh, Alice is on it. So it says, I hope you like Cat's doormat. It says, add a touch of cat-loving personality to your front door. $16. It's on the card, it's brown, so I guess everyone got a brown one. What I think is weird is that it's just on this corner here. Is it me? Like it should have been written all over the mat. But I like it either way. I think it's cute. I never owned something like that. I do have like doormats, but we put them inside just so we don't get mud inside, and they are not like personalized, just big rugs. And Nico is playing with the paper. And you... Give me the paper. Thank you. So I think it was a pretty good box. I think it was better than the January one. I really do believe so. I feel like the value was better, and I feel like the items were more useful and cuter. And yeah. My favorite thing probably has to be the doormat. But I really like the little pouch too. I think it's super cute. Yeah, I really like the little mouse too. I think it's super, super cute. And the only thing maybe I didn't like as much is the t-shirt, but it's not like, oh my god, this is not cute, this is ugly. It's just not my favorite, but it's okay. Like I'm not saying that it's not a good t-shirt. I think it's a really good one. So this is it. If you wouldn't mind, hit the like button before you leave. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think of the February box. Tell me what you think of the little cats, the toys. Tell me what's your favorite item. And of course, if you want to see other videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!